Welcome to our channel. Today we are about to embark on a delightful journey through the world of coffee. So grab your favorite mug, sit back and let's get brewing. Our journey begins with the origins of coffee. From the lush plantations where the beans are grown to the meticulous process of roasting, this is where the magic happens. Get ready to awaken your taste buds as we explore the wide variety of coffee creations. From creamy cappuccinos to velvety lattes, there's a perfect cup for every coffee lover. Coffee isn't just a beverage, it's a way of life. Immerse yourself in the captivating coffee culture that brings people together. Whether it's a local coffee shop or your favorite corner cafe, the atmosphere is always warm and inviting. Take a sip from the global coffee cup as we explore the various coffee rituals and customs around the world. From the strong cafe of Turkey to the smooth cafe au lait of France, discover how coffee connects and transcends borders. Prepare to be amazed by the artistry that goes into crafting the perfect cup of coffee. Talented baristas transform coffee into works of art, turning each sip into a sensory experience. As our coffee adventure comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed this caffeinated journey. But it doesn't have to stop here. Explore the vast world of coffee and discover endless possibilities for your own coffee creations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more brewing inspiration. And as always, leave a comment below and let us know your favorite coffee memories or any unique coffee experiences you've had. Until then, happy sipping!